Hi, how are you? Okay, here in this video I want to show you something very important to rank our store, because I get many comments from the customers that one of the problems are facing is to rank this store in the top of Google. Why is this important? Because when you rank your store in the top of Google for good keywords, you get organic traffic that is free, and you get a lot of traffic, so your store began to sell a lot all the day. So how can we achieve this ranking? Well, there are many factors. One is, and maybe the more important, is the backlinks, is that your store have many sites pointing links to your store, and this is very difficult to do manually or by time, because until you get a lot of social networks or sites that are putting links of your store, takes time. So that's why we are creating this new service that maybe I think will help a lot to rank faster. You see here is this is the most important site, MOZ, about SEO, and this you see that everywhere are talking about the importance of backlinks and which backlinks are the most important. You can check this site, it is moz.com, and you will find here a lot of information about the backlinks. So here we create a free access dashboard, so you can subscribe, and we are offering all these services that are very cheap. This is almost the price that takes out us to create the backlinks. So really we are doing this to make the best for StreamStore, and also for any site you have, you can use the same service. So you see we have many services. For example, this is web blogs but sharing accounts, so many accounts, maybe are 50 accounts that are going to post about your store, and it's $3, and the minimum is 10 to buy 10 package, and you with this you have 50 social sites pointing to your store. That is a big difference to don't have any link. And this is more interesting. For example, this blog with dedicated accounts, this service will give you all the accounts with the credentials. You will get 30 accounts with all the credentials to access, and also will post backlinks to your store. You see, these links have some value because are DA 30 to 100. You can learn about this. There's a lot of to understand what means 30, 100, but these are high authority sites that Google understand that if they are pointing to your store, that means that your store have value. So with this you get a lot of authority to your store, and Google rank your store in the top. Here are more. This is very powerful, because this is a peer 9. This is domain authority, the top ones like Amazon, WordPress, sites with very high authority that will get 55 links pointing to your site. You see the price is, in this case, 31. It's not a big investment. You have well, many services. This is one of the best. It's a fully Monty premium. Is 700 domains pointing to your store, and all are mixed platforms, are Web 2, social networks, social bookmarks, and some point. For example, if you have one link in this Web 2, this press release is going to point to the Web2 link, and this is going to point to your store. It's like a pyramid, it's called. You see, it's 2 tiles link pyramid campaign. So with this you can make your store, your site, some articles that you have interest to rank fast. And you know, if you rank fast, the more fast you rank, the most fast you begin to get sales and get profits. So it's not, sometimes don't worth to wait too much time to rank a site. Well, you have many, you have wiki, pedia links, forum links. Well, you can investigate article directories, backlinks 90. Well, there are many interesting backlinks that will help your store or your site. I show you how it works. You click here, gain access. In this case, you can register here, is free. And here, for example, you have login, and if I already have the account, I log into the account. So here it's like this. Here you go to make order. Always is good to add funds, but you don't know really now what you are going to buy. So first go to make orders, and here you select, for example, which ones of the services you want. Let's say you want this dedicated account like your service. So here you have to buy, I think, let me see, 20 is the minimum. And here you have, for example, indexer. These are extra and are cheap, you see. You can add this to your order, and this way you have more index all the links you are going to create. For example, now, okay, I have, this is my store. So I want here, my store is about animal print. So I'm going to copy the link of my store, and I put here in the links. And here in the keywords, I'm going to put animal print. This is one of the keywords I want to rank. Then, for example, in the store, I also want to see, for example, if I can rank for the fashion category. So I click fashion. Now I copy this URL, and I paste also, because I also want to rank these links. So you can put all the links you want to rank, and each link will rank for these keywords. So if you have another site, another anything you want to rank, will help you. Also a video if you have in YouTube. So for example, I have this page of posts. I can select one interesting article, for example this. Also I copy the URL, I put here. Okay, I want all these for only animal print. If I need more keywords, it's very easy. You go to Google, you put animal print, and here in the footer you will find animal print, the most searches related keywords. Animal print dress, for example, this is very good. So you can copy this and put here in the keywords without space. So in this case, I'm going to receive let me see, I don't remember, but I think there are 40 or 50 accounts with all my links with pointing with these keywords. Also, I can choose here what is the subject I like to rank. For example, I'm going to put in this case health, no, home and family, pets, shopping, fashion, society, fashion. Okay, so here is very clear what I want to rank, and finally I submit. When I submit, well, now I don't have balance. I have to add here my balance and send this request. This take more or less 24 hours. So in 24 hours you will see a very high movement in your site of traffic, because all the links begin to work. So I really recommend this, because to have a store without traffic sometimes is frustrating and it's very slow the growing, and these are methods that help to really go to the top in a fast way, begin to get profit. When someone get profits, also begin to invest more. So I suggest this service is very good. Well, thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.